my handy dandy water bottle. Hola, surprise, it's me, Sassysamey here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. And for those of you guys who have been here for a while, hi, how are ya? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be a what I got for Christmas video. This video is going up pretty late, so I wanted to go ahead and share with you guys everything that I got for Christmas this year from family. So let's get into the video. So the first thing that I got this year were Christmas socks. This had a pair of 2 Christmas socks, but I already wore the other ones, so socks. Nathan actually got me. This is what I'm going to wear to Disneyland when we do go, and it is a Buzz Lightyear sweater. It's so cute. I think he had it at Target, so I was really excited for that. The next thing that he got me, we actually all got matching t-shirts for Disneyland. A Toy Story one that says, "No sign of intelligent life anywhere." I have one, Nathan has one, and his mom and dad has one. So we're gonna go all to Disneyland and we're all gonna wear matching shirts because he knows I like matching with him. These, as I have started going to the gym a lot more, and I wanted to get a pair of wireless headphones that go over my ears. So he got me a pair of these. Hopefully, you know, they work out very well, but they're noise canceling, they're wireless, and it says 35-hour battery life. So we'll see, we'll see. And then, get it out, he got me a pair of shoes. And they're not just any kind of shoes, they are actually shoes specifically for SoulCycle. So I'm really excited. I actually went to SoulCycle earlier this week and I forgot I had them. So I really need to break them in, but they're so cute. And they do come with the Delta cleats, because with SoulCycle there's a certain cleat that you need to have. This comes with a pair, so then that way you just put them on your shoes. So I'm really excited to try them out, so then that way I don't have to rent $3 shoes every time I do go. Taking it to the next level. You know what I'm saying? And then also, he did get me a pair of Sony PS3 wireless controller, a pair, because I only have one. And last time he wanted to play with me on my PlayStation, he couldn't because I only have one controller. So now I have 2. In my Christmas stocking, I actually got this, which I'm really excited about. But it is the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic eyeshadow palette. This one was really pretty, and I was just like, oh. I don't really have anything in my collection that has these colors. So I was like, alright, that's cool with me. That's cool. I did get a couple of beauty sponges. I'm going to try these out. Nathan's mom actually got me these, so I'm excited to try them out and see how they work. I'm going to try these out. I have a whole bunch of makeup sponges. I have beauty blenders. I have my Real Techniques one, but I also know that I get lazy and I don't want to wash them every time, so I just grab a new one and use it. And then by the end of the week, I'll have like 5 different sponges, depending on if I wear makeup every day. I also got this. If you guys don't know, I have a Cricut. It has all the basic tool set. So I don't have this. I just have the machine and then the cutting mat. So I thought this was perfect because I really wanted like the whole set, because it comes with like a spatula, a weeder, a scraper, scissors, and then tweezers specifically for the Cricut. So I'm really excited for that one, to try it out, to use it. Excited. I know. The other thing that was in my stocking was this. I actually picked this out. So Nathan has the blue one and I have the green one. So once in a while, I'll just shoot him with my Nerf gun. And it's so cute too. And then his mom got me a DKNY wallet, because I can actually put my phone in here, and it's like a little wristlet, which is really cute. So I'm really excited to use it. And it has like a whole bunch of, you know, it's a wallet. So there you go. She also got me this bag for traveling. So if you guys don't know, I travel a lot, and so I really needed a bag that I can kind of like carry on all of my stuff with, but also I can fit like my laptop in here, and the print is like super cute. It's like 100% me. So I was just like, that's so cute. It comes with a little baggie, so you could put stuff in it as well. And then she also got me the matching makeup bag. So I'm really excited to try these out, to use it when I travel. In here, my stocking, I actually got Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser, and then they also got me the liquid version of it. I've never actually tried this one, so I'm excited to see how it works out. It is pretty thick. So there's that. And then I also got a beauty blender, like the actual beauty blender. So I already know I like this. I like how like this one is like super bright pink, and then the old one, okay, this is gonna be gross, but it's like light pink. That's you know, it washes out. So it has a little cute little makeup bag, and I believe this is from Brighton. So I thought that it was a really cute gift that kind of matched with everything, and it was like, oh yes, bitch. She also got me a pair of house slippers, which I love house slippers. From my aunt, she got me a blender bottle. I have a couple of these, but this one says will work out for ice cream, which I thought was really cute. And then she attached a little Beanie Baby, and it's a unicorn because we have an inside joke and she calls me her unicorn. So I thought that was really cute. My cousin actually got me this. He actually got me this, which I thought was the cutest thing. Dude, like look how cute this is. Oh my god, when I opened it, I was so excited. And then he actually put money in it because I'm back in school, so he's like here for books and stuff like that next semester. So he was really cute, and I love this. He also got me this sweater. So cute. My mom got me a pair of Adidas slides because I really needed them for SoulCycle, and also just to wear around the house because I don't really have any. And also she got me a pair of black ones, which I have been wearing. These are really comfortable and I really like them. These ones specifically go with me to SoulCycle because after I switch out my shoes, I just put on my slides, good to go. So yeah, she also got me underwear. So Nathan actually got me a pair of Key Australian sunglasses. I also got a pair of Desi Perkins ones as well, but it hasn't come in the mail. Look at how cute these are. Yes, bitch. So I am in love with these ones. These ones are in the style My Girl. Super cute, and I love them. I got 5 pairs of jeans. 3 of them were from Ethan's sister, and then 2 of them were from myself. So I wanted to pick up a pair of Forever 21 jeans. The size 31s fit me very well, so I really like the style of the Forever 21 jeans. And then also my second favorite pair of jeans, because I always get jeans that are like super tight on my thighs or don't fit over my thighs, and then are super loose around my waist, and it's just like super annoying. So the Universal Thread high-rise skinny jeans are amazing, and they fit me so well. So dark, light, and then black. Those are the colors. Boom. And then also I got one of those vests. Ethan's mom actually got me a vest. It's super cute, and it's a packable vest. So it's good for traveling, and it'll keep me warm throughout the winter here in Southern California. So I'm really excited for those. Every year we do this thing with my company where we go out and they give us a certain amount of money, and then you go and you have an hour to shop for stuff. So this is what I picked up for myself, because you have to shop for yourself for Christmas. It's like their Christmas thing for you. So I picked up this cute bag. I got it at Charming Charlie's for, I believe it was like 40 bucks. Yeah, $35 tax. So cute, so cute. But look at the inside. It's like the cutest bag. It has pink polka dots on it. Super cute, and I'm excited to wear this because it's super structured, and I don't have a bag like this. So I thought, why not try something new? Then I went to Forever 21 and I picked up a couple of things. I bought this sports bra, which I really like the sportswear in Forever 21. I feel like it's good quality, it lasts a long time, and it's super comfortable, and I like the fit of majority of this stuff. The next thing is another pair of workout pants. These are high-rise leggings. These are my favorite ones because they cinch they like cinch you in, and it makes you feel like your pants are gonna fall off when you're working out. And I get a size medium. I might have to go to a size small now that I'm starting to lose a lot more weight, but super stretchy, form-fitting, and also they don't fall off when you're like working out, when you're like doing cardio and stuff like that, because there are some pants that I'm just like, really? And also I got a pair of these ones in a size medium. I know, they're super cute. I really, really like them. But anyways, that is everything that I got for Christmas. Let me know in the comments down below what you got for Christmas, because I really want to know. Welcome to 2019. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you guys do want to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter, I will leave all of my links down below or somewhere on the screen. And I think that's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye. Oh, also, I put a new sticker on my water bottle. I feel like I'm jamming it in my ear, so I'm just like, no thank you. Boop.